In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a VVT solenoid on a Nissan Maxima. This is located under the hood and on top of the engine. Let's get started. Now that our hood is open, we're going to locate two VVT solenoids, one on bank 1 and one on bank 2. We'll be doing bank 2, but the process is the same for bank 1. Now on top of bank 2, we are going to locate this bracket held on by two 10mm nuts. We're going to go ahead and remove those. Now slide the bracket out and set it aside. Now on our VVT solenoid, we're going to locate one 10mm bolt and remove it. And set it aside. Now with the bolt removed, I'll be using a flat blade screwdriver to pry the solenoid out. Put it on the edge of the solenoid right here and just push it up. Now we could fully remove it. Now pull it up. Now we're going to take a rag and clean up any oil that spilled out. Now to remove it from the harness, we're going to locate this tab and push it down and slide the solenoid out. If it's stuck on, you could also use some needle nose pliers. And there it is. And now for our new solenoid, I'm going to grab some new engine oil and lubricate our new O-ring. I'm going to get my harness and install it. Just push in until you hear the click. Now let's install it on the vehicle. Now let's put it in place. Now fully push in. Make sure your holes align on the solenoid and the engine. Now we can hand thread on our 10mm bolt. Now hand thread it on until the bottom's out. Now just snug it down. And now make sure it's secure. Now for our two 10mm mounting nuts. And now just snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.